Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to show you how you can make chocolate ice cream at home. Take one saucepan, add water, and in another bowl add 1 cup of grated dark compound chocolate. Stir it until the chocolate is half melt down. At this point add 1/3 cup of cold milk and now stir it until the chocolate fully melts down. After you have reached at this consistency, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder in it and stir it until there is no lumps and it is slightly thickened in consistency as you have seen here. At this point, switch off the gas and set it aside to cool down. Now in a separate bowl, add 2 cups of whipping cream. Here I am using chilled blades. I have kept these blades into the freezer for about 10-15 minutes. I am using electric beater to beat the whipping cream. You can use hand beater also. But put that into the refrigerator, and once you have reached at this point, add 1 full can of sweetened condensed milk in the whipping cream. After that, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence and beat one more time. And now stop the beater. Add this prepared chocolate ganache that we have prepared earlier. Make sure the chocolate ganache is cold. And now beat it until it creates soft peak. And once you have reached at this consistency, stop beating and now add some chocolate chips. This is totally optional. If you like it, you can add it. And now with a very light hand, mix the chocolate with the prepared mixture. Now take this type of cake tin or you can take any airtight container. Pour this mixture in this container. Take out all the mixture and now with the help of spatula level this mixture and now take a cling wrap and press this cling wrap on the ice cream as I am showing you here. It is important because otherwise the ice crystals starts setting on the ice cream, so to prevent this step is important. After pressing the cling wrap on the ice cream mixture, just close it from the sides properly. Once it is done, now it is ready to go in the freezer for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. And this is the next day. I will show you the ice cream is properly done and you have seen, wow, how perfectly is this set. And I'll show you the closer view also so that you have an idea. To remove the ice cream, here I am using the ice cream scoop, and by the taking out only you will see how perfectly the ice cream is set. And I'll show you the texture of the ice cream, and this is how it perfectly done. And I am using this waffle cone. This is homemade waffle cone. If you want to know the recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to take one more scoop from this ice cream. And here is the chocolate ice cream ready to serve. If you want, you can drizzle some chocolate syrup on top of that. Your kids will love this chocolate ice cream in this summer season. And here is a tip: if you don't have compound chocolate, instead of that you can add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder instead of 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And if you like this recipe of chocolate ice cream, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.